Physics. The question is a water tanker is moving with a constant uniform speed horizontally. What will be the shape of the surface wave uh, on the water? So that will be the surface wave. So that will be the shape we want to find out. So that is the question is similar to a pendulum, which is connected with the string and this is the object which is swinging like this one. So, and it has two forces. One is mg, another one is tension, and in tension, and there is a component of the force on this side. So it is different. This is 20. This is the kind of theta. So this one and this one, the cos of theta and the d of mg sine theta, mg. There are two competing forces. So similarly, we can consider water tank as a non-inertial system in which there are two forces are acting on it. So one force is this is the consider this one is a, a particle, water molecule is a particle, and this is gravity acting on it, and other force is acting on it. And so the each particle of the water is considered as a additional exerting initial force of energy. So inertial force and the gravity is acting on this particle. So the magnitude of the inertial force is the product of mass with the acceleration, radial acceleration, with the negative sign on the opposite direction. So it will experience on the surface of the water, and it is at the plane which is perpendicular to the resultant of the vector. So this is gravity, and this is the force, which is inertial force, and this is the resultant of these two forces, and it is this resultant will be describing this action on the surface plane perpendicular this vector. So this is the plane perpendicular of the surface of the vector. So at the surface of the water, which is a plane perpendicular to the resultant of vector of the two forces. So the shape will be described by this resultant and a parallel perpendicular plane. So the shape of the surface is described by the tangent of theta, and it is proportional to the angular velocity or divided by gravity. So this is particle inertial force on this side, and this is gravity, and this is resultant, and this is the plane perpendicular to the resultant, and it describes the shape of the surface.